Hi, my name is Diane McSorley. I'm with ACS Learning and I'm here with a quick tip. These tips are under 2 minutes in length and are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Let's get started. Today's tip is how to use the Microsoft Format Painter to reuse formatting. And we'll see that what we're going to do is click on what has the formatting we like. We're going to go up to the Home ribbon tab. We're going to click on the Format Painter. You can also double click it to keep it on longer. And we'll paint the selection to apply the formatting. So I'm in Word. Let's give this a shot. I'm going to click into this, right? Let's say I love this formatting. So not even having to select it, just clicking into it is good enough. I see the font. I see the font size. This is what I want to put on other text. So if I click on the Format Painter and brush, notice my mouse pointer has changed, brush across the text when I let go. Whoa, and that's a single use. It turns itself off. But sometimes we might want to use it again and again. So in that case, you'll click into the text, double click the Format Painter, and I can drag, and it stays on. Drag, stays on. Double click, ooh, right? And then when I'm all done, I click the Format Painter, or I can press Escape to turn it off. I hope you found this tip helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tip. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.